this video, I'm going to do a full breakdown of everything that you receive with your Eureka Cordless Vacuum, how to assemble it, and then also a live demo of me using it in my house and my car so you can have a full idea how this product works A to Z. But these are the pieces that you receive. You get a few accessories with it, a battery pack and a charger, and also a wall mount if you want to mount it on your wall or in your closet to hang it up while you're not using it. But let's hop in and we'll see how we assemble it. So step number one is just putting the handle onto the actual vacuum motor, and it clips right on there. It is super easy. Now for step two, we need to slide the battery pack onto the vacuum, and that takes just seconds to do. So now on to step number three, which is installing the wand or vacuum stick, and this snaps into place just like all the other steps. There are no screws or bolts or anything like that to assemble this. They make it as effortless as possible. But now the vacuum is fully assembled, so we can head over to my living room and let's vacuum the carpet. This is what the carpet rug looks like before. It really needs to be vacuumed. And one cool thing about this vacuum is that motorized nozzle actually pushes the vacuum forward for you, so you really don't have to exert any effort when you're vacuuming. It basically runs for you. And here's the final product. Rug's looking nice. Let's move on to the car. And switching out the parts is effortless. You can do it in seconds. As you see, just click it on, you're ready to rock. Here's my dirty car. I drive with the windows down in Arizona, so it's constantly dusty, so let's get this cleaned up. And one cool thing about this vacuum, which is that furniture brush which I attached, you can actually slide it up or down, and it can be like a crevice tool as well, so you don't have to keep switching out parts. It's all in one, which makes it easy, and it also shows you a percentage similar to a cell phone, so you know exactly how much battery you have left. And here's the final product of the car. Looking nice. Let's dump it out. I'm done cleaning. Overall, I'm super happy with this vacuum. It gets 2 thumbs up to me. It's easy to put together, easy to use. The percentage battery is super nice. I've had vacuums in the past that just turn off on me because I don't know how much battery is left. This doesn't happen. If you ever need to replace a filter, you can easily unscrew it and take it off. Overall, I'm a super happy customer.